boys and girls, this is Miss Marta from the Fountaindale Public Library. And today I thought that we could make a craft together. We are going to make the Bumblebee craft. Because when you go outside, you can see some bumblebees, probably in your garden, or maybe when you're going for a walk with your family. Yes, they are all coming out now because it's getting warm outside, and we need bumblebees because bumblebees give us honey, and bumblebees help pollinate plants. So bumblebees are very useful in our environment. But sometimes we might not like bumblebees when they're buzzing in our ear, right? But we do need them. So in order to make our bumblebee craft, we are going to need some paper. You're going to need some yellow paper and some black paper. You're also going to need some googly eyes if you have some. If you don't, that's okay. You're going to need some pipe cleaners, but if you don't have them, that's okay too. You're going to need some markers. You're going to need a pencil for tracing. You're going to need some scissors, glue, and tape. So if you're ready, let's get started. So first, as you can see, our bumblebee is made out of hearts, mostly out of hearts. We have hearts for its body, hearts for its wings, and hearts for its little antennas. So what you're going to do is you're going to trace some hearts. So let's count. How many yellow hearts do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to take a heart. You're going to have to draw a heart first. And then you're going to trace it on your yellow paper. I'm going to trace it 4 times because we need 4 hearts. And then let's count how many black hearts we need. 1, 2. We need 2. So you're going to have to make a black heart, and then you're going to trace it 2 times on your black paper. So I've already done this. I already traced my heart, so they are ready. So what we're going to do first is we are going to glue our hearts together. But before we do, let's put them on our table. So as you can see, for the body of the bee, they make a pattern. It's yellow, black, yellow, black. So let's do that part first. We're going to get yellow heart. Then on top of it, we're going to put a black heart, a yellow heart, and another black heart. So we need 4 hearts for our body. Yellow, black, yellow, black. So let's do that. Let's glue those hearts together. So we're going to put some glue on the bottom here, on the tip. We don't want to put too much though. So we're going to put some glue there on our yellow heart. And then we're going to take our black heart and we're going to put it on top of our yellow heart. Then we're going to put some glue on our black heart on the bottom here. And now we're going to take our other yellow heart and we're going to put it on top of the black heart. As you can see, we are making our pattern. And now we're going to take our glue stick again and we're going to put some glue on the bottom of our yellow heart. And we have the body of our bumblebee. But now we still need our wings. So now we're going to use our 2 leftover yellow hearts to make our wings. So you're going to put them right here by the top. You're going to glue it on one side. And then the other one, you're going to glue it on the other side. So we're going to, again, put some glue over here on the bottom. Or on the side, I should say. And then we are going to stick this heart right here on the side. We have one wing. Then we're going to put some glue on the side here on our other heart. Oop, I think I put it on the wrong side. Okay, so we're going to put it there. Oh, I put the glue on the other side, so I'm trying to wipe it down so it doesn't get too sticky. Okay, so now we have our two wings, right? On one side and the other. Okay. So now what we need to do is we need to make a face for our bumblebee. So what does our face consist of? We need two eyes and we need a mouth. So if you have any googly eyes at home, you can use your googly eyes and put them on the face. And if you don't, that's okay too, because you can use a marker and just draw two black dots on your bumblebee. So I do have some googly eyes. So I am going to glue them on. Okay. So we're going to put one eye on our face. And then we're going to put another eye on our face. So you can see I put my two eyes on my bumblebee. Now my bumblebee needs a face. It needs a smile or a mouth. So I am going to draw a mouth, as you can see. And then on the tips of the mouth, I'm going to draw little hearts. One little heart. And another little heart. So my mouth has two little hearts on it. There you go. So we have our eyes and our mouth. And what else do we need now? We need some antennas on top. So here, if you have any pipe cleaners at home, you can use them. And if not, then you can use your black paper and you can just cut out a little strip of black paper and you can use that as your antenna. So I do have some pipe cleaners. So I have a little piece and that's a big piece. So I'm going to cut it in half because our antennas don't have to be that big with my scissors. Okay, so I have two little pieces. So now I'm going to tape them to the back of the bumblebee's head. So for that, I'm going to need some tape. So I'm going to tape one to one side. And then I'm going to tape the other one to the other side. So they look like this. They're sticking up. So now I'm going to kind of bend it to the side a little bit. One side and then the other side. So the bumblebee's antennas are bent like that. And now what we're going to do is we are going to tape some hearts to the tips of the antennas. So I already pre-cut some hearts. So they are very tiny, as you can see. So you can use your yellow paper and you can draw one and then trace it and then you can make two. So you can use those for your tips of your antennas. So for this, you're going to need some tape too. You're going to need a little bit of tape because they are very tiny hearts. Let's see. We have one. One heart taped. And then we need a little bit more tape for the second heart. Those hearts are very tiny, so it might be a little bit tricky to get them taped up. But my hearts are ready. There you go. And that's how you make a bunny. I'm sorry. That's how you make a bumblebee. Guess what? I just remembered a bumblebee song that I know, and I bet that you know it too. Should we sing it together? Let's sing it together. Do you hear the bumblebee buzzing? I do. Okay, let's see if you can catch a bumblebee. Let's try to catch it. You catch yours, I'm going to catch mine. Oh, I missed. Oh, I missed again. I guess I have to be a little bit more quiet. Oh, I got the bumblebee. Did you catch your bumblebee? Let's sing the song together. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my my baby Bumblebee. Ouch! It stung me. Ow! 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 I'm squishing up my baby Bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squishing up my baby Bumblebee. Ew! My hands are so dirty. I'm wiping off my baby Bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm wiping off my baby Bumblebee. All clean. Now my hands are nice and clean. So let's take our bumblebees and let them out into nature, because bumblebees need to be outside so they can help our flowers grow and they can produce honey for us. So take your bumblebee and let it fly. Is your bumblebee flying? I said, yeah, my bumblebee's flying too. Bye-bye, bumblebee. See you later. Bye-bye. So I hope that you enjoy making your bumblebee craft with me. I'll talk to you soon.